Helping birds. In the winter, the birds need extra help. The cold weather makes it hard for them to find food. We can help by putting seeds in the bird feeder. The birds come and enjoy the food, and they stay warm and strong through the cold days. Let's start the questions. Why do birds need extra help in winter? Because it is hard for them to find food. What is the answer? Because 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 it is hard for them to get food to get food. Do you help birds, by the way? Okay, what's the next question? That is, what can we do to help the birds? We can help by putting seeds in the bird feeder. How can we help? By putting seeds in the how can we do to what can we do to help the birds? We can we can put seeds in their bird feeders. Bird feeders. What's the last question? That is, how do birds feel after eating the food? What do the food? They come and they enjoy the food and they stay warm and strong. So how do they feel? What will you answer? You will write, they enjoy stay warm and strong. If you want these worksheets, you can find them on my Facebook page, that is Tiny Tots Hub. You can find a lot of worksheets there.